What attracted me to Giga Metals was the opportunity to work on a nickel project. I worked in marketing and advertising for over 10 years, but I'm new to the mining industry. When I heard about Giga Metals' goal to be carbon neutral, and I started learning more about the importance of nickel in EV batteries, I was pretty hooked by this story. Most people, myself included, don't normally stop and ask where the battery in their phone or their laptop or their EV actually comes from. So, nickel is an incredibly important part of the EV battery. Higher nickel content in a battery helps achieve higher energy density and greater storage capacity. So, as the demand for EVs grows and countries put regulations in place to curb emissions and incentivize EVs, the demand for battery metals will continue to grow. But where are all these minerals going to come from? At Giga, we estimate that about 40 to 70 new large nickel mines are going to be needed by 2040. That's a lot of mines. It's almost scary. So now more than ever, it's important to get new nickel projects off the ground. But these nickel projects and these new mines have to be done in a responsible way. And so our goal with Turnagain is to ensure that we are mining responsibly from day one and that we can provide an ethical source of clean nickel. What's exciting to me about the Turnagain project is our goal to be a carbon neutral nickel mine. This is absolutely fascinating and incredibly important, especially if we need this many new mines to come online in the next few years. We really have to be thinking about how can we keep our emissions down at every step of the way, at every step of the battery supply chain. So that means we have to start with the mining of those minerals. It's very exciting to be part of a team that's taking all the steps to ensure that we make all the right choices along the way. So things like using hydroelectric power, the carbon sequestration research, and designing the mine so we have the lowest emissions possible. It's great that we're moving towards electric vehicles and hopefully other modes of transportation as well. However, it's not going to be a green revolution if the emissions associated with building these cars is through the roof. So it's something we all really have to think about. So projects like Turnagain are incredibly important because not only are we providing a supply of nickel for this growing industry, but we're also doing it in the right way. So I'm really excited to see where this project goes, and I'm really happy to be part of the team.